Alright, we got our head here. And we let our block dry real well. We got our center mark, so now we're going to work on taking some of this out in here so we can round down our neck. So we're going to use our 4-inch belt sander to take this down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Have any questions or comments, feel free to list them in my comment section and I'll answer you. Okay, you can see how this takes us down, so we're going to keep working on that till we get it down to our circle here. Then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.